Thursday, short, accurate, positive, and important news. Worth $300,000 medical equipment contributed to Paktia health centers. 57 kinds of medical equipment worth $300,000 were contributed to the health centers of Zurmat district of Paktia by the CARE Foundation. The weekly cabinet meeting was held. The weekly cabinet meeting of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, headed by the Prime Minister, Mullah Muhammad Hassan Akhund, was held. His Highness Amirul Mu'mineen met with the residents of Panjshir province. The Supreme Leader of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Mullah Hibatullah Akhund, met with several officials, scholars, and elders of Panjshir province and Andrabs. In the meeting, he praised the cooperation of the people of Panjshir with Mujahideen and emphasized the unity of people and assured them of any cooperation with them. A delegation of Iranian investors met with the political deputy PM. A delegation of Iranian investors met with the political deputy Maulavi Abdul Kabir and said that they are planning to invest $100 million in Afghanistan. Power outages in Afghanistan have increased. Maulavi Hikmatullah Akhundzada, director of Kabul Brishna Shirkat. Due to the technical problems of electricity in Uzbekistan, the power outages in Afghanistan have increased. Head of National Examination Authority met with Turkey ambassador. Sheikh Abdul Baki Haqqani, head of the National Examination Authority of Afghanistan, met with the ambassador of Turkey and discussed several matters. Outdated food items were collected and disposed of. 28,620 kilograms of outdated and low-quality food items were collected and disposed of by Kabul municipality. 129 students graduated from the military school. 129 students graduated from the 12th grade of the military school of the Ministry of National Defense.